này đó.
Allah.
Cái cả hai lúc quay lo, quay đi ta kia lại về lại lên lùi à. Sister cả hai lo. Sangat bagus. Sangat hot. Pacu dah mah minta dua ada apa benar loh.
过得了很 comfort of the driving.
Đâu bao nhiêu mưa ha? Đâu bao nhiêu mưa? Mesa. Lấy lo. Lên bộ cực luôn à? Mưa. Wow, quanh người ta bật đi. Ui, cái lọc đi nào. Có cả mỏ. Chodź. Hej. No, chodź, chodź, my piłek nie jem. Pasali. มีฮาริแบบนี้เหรอ Day one sister ready keep her
Are you ready? Day one, I'm gonna get She's gonna get
You ready li irga la ni korko so ready. Hi.
Hello.
Sita, you ready? Hi, have fun. Oh, my honey. Yeah, 4? No, this is not day 4. This is day 1.
Baby, I know how to play the.
Hello. Okay. Yeah, we are. No, puedes dejar try it. Oh, yeah. Also, not try it.
Okay, but it's big strawberry.
Wow. Are we even on? Is that too sweet? Yeah, we pull on you up. I'm gonna.
Okay, we're just gonna get it out. We're not going to open our eyes, right? So, okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this one. 3, 2, 1, open your eyes. I got green grape. I Vicky, let's do This is mine. This is mine.
Papa, Pepe, cho khó ta lại Memory wa po. No, no, you should go. You should go to the picture. I want to know. No, no, you should go, okay?
Can you show me your mistake?
Yeah. Where we're headed. Sister, wala actual. Sister is having fun now.
Rainforests are all to survive in these harsh conditions, make use of what little water they can find and avoid the scorching rays of the relentless sun. Are exploring innovative ways to produce more powerful harvests now and into the future. The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of plants on the planet. But many of these, like papaya, bananas, cacao, these are just a few of the edible plants that have been an important source of nutrition for people living in the tropics. Many are delicious. Some, like the water lily, thrive in wet, swampy areas.
Apa? Hi.
One day, many of these lesser-known
Nam du
tropical
fai là, phải đôi
may
chim.
be as important as the banana.
Tu vas pakai tu air punya.
The sustainable system used here recycles the water in the tanks, millions of gallons each year. Carl Fish Farm produces nearly 5,000 pounds of fish. Nations like this one can play an important role in our efforts to produce bountiful harvests and still protect the common grains growing here: wheat, maize, sorghum. These increase yields while more efficiently using with beneficial insects that prey on harmful. Some of our best ideas have been inspired as good as they look. In fact, we serve more than 15.
Apa ni dia? Cina apa nak? Nak ya?
wonder if clownfish taste. Nemo! Why don't you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what a beautiful little bite. Whoa! Check out the Big Marlin! Woohoo!
Root canal. Wait, take me with you. I mean, it's a nice song, but we just stop.
Your time machine will slowly rotate around and then stop momentarily. For your safety, remain